Okay, there we go. Oh man, how you guys get up there? It's back. We're back with another mukbang video. I'll get a good angle. There we go. Alright. Well, today, for the first time, I'm trying Bojangles. I got the chicken supremes. The only thing that makes them supreme is that they're spicy. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's gonna be a regular occurrence for you guys, aren't you? Okay. We're not done yet. See here? Spicy. I don't know how good they are, but we'll see. Of course, got my honey mustard. One of my favorite sauces. I'm not a ranch addict like some people. Just came back from a workout, post-workout Bojangles, you know. You gotta treat yourself sometimes. That's so good. Yep. And another abandoned parking lot with some people. Sorry if the highway is kind of loud. Oh, if you're wondering, yes, I'm in the Navy. So my first video, I did decent. Some people I knew shared it. Got a lot of comments on it. So just trying to do better. Earlier today I had some seafood. It was really good. It wasn't the spicy kind. I like spicy. So probably next time I'm gonna get some spicy stuff. These biscuits are so good. Put in the comment, who has the best biscuits? To me, Popeyes has the best biscuits. But these are pretty good. See? There's actually a McDonald's right next to us. So you guys might be getting an extra show for dessert. McFlurry maybe. Maybe some cookies. We will see. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh. I can tell you guys a little about myself. There's nothing important, really. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm filming this on Memorial Day. Been pretty uneventful for me. Hope everybody's doing good. These chicken strips are really good. I'm probably gonna go back for seconds. That hit the spot. Well, Bojangles, good first impression. Well, guys, it's been good. Got any questions or concerns? Put them in the comments down below. It's been real.